grade 12 syllabus for Flamingo we have already seen. So now today let us see about the Vista's overall outline so that you will get an idea as to what to study and how to. So let us see. Our first story is The Third Level, written by Jack Finney, and it is a story about a 31-year-old man named Charlie. This is a psychological story that refers to the subway at the Grand Central Railway Station, which takes passengers to Galesburg, and this subway becomes the interconnection between the narrator's harsh reality and fantasy. The second story is The Tiger King, and the writer is Kalki. Here the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the Tiger King, and he got this name because at the time of his birth, astrologers predicted that he would die due to a tiger. So when he grew up, he decided to kill all the tigers and came to be known as the Tiger King. The third story is Journey to the End of the Earth, written by Tishani Doshi. And in this, Tishani talks about her journey to Antarctica, which is described as the coldest, driest and windiest continent in the world, and how the impact of human activities can be studied by visiting it. Fourth story is The Enemy, and the writer is Pearl S. Buck. We can correctly name it as Pearl Sinenstripper Buck. It is about a Japanese surgeon, Sadao. He went to study in America and meets a Japanese girl, Hana, and he marries her and brings her back to Japan to settle down. The next story is Should Wizard Hit Mommy? And the writer is John Updike. Here, this story revolves around the conflicting views of a child and a parent on the child's future. Parents express their own expectations. They desire that their children should grow up as per their expectations. And the next story is On the Face of It, and the writer is Susan Hill. This is a play, and it is about the friendship between a young boy daddy and an old man, Mr. Lamb. And because of his facial scar, he is very upset and feels that people do not want to associate with him. The next story, chapter 7, is Evan Tries an O-Level, and the writer is Colin Dexter. Here, this story, Evan Tries an O-Level, is about a cunning prisoner, Evans, who makes a plan to escape from the prison on the day of his German language O-Level exam. The jail authorities, on the other hand, are ready to cover up any sort of risk. And the last story, chapter 8, is Memories of Childhood. It includes two subtitles. First is The Cutting of My Long Hair, and the second is We Too Are Human Beings. So The Cutting of My Long Hair, it is written by Zit Kalasa, and in this story it shows the discrimination faced by the Indians in the Western world. The story describes how an Indian girl was forced to wear Western dresses and cut her hair by her school authorities in order to make her look like an American student. And the second title, We Too Are Human Beings, it is written by Bama, and it teaches us the lesson that all human beings are equal and each one of us has human dignity, honor and self-respect. It also emphasizes the need of eradicating such evils as untouchability and discrimination on the basis of caste through education, empowerment and economic growth. So this was all a glimpse of the chapters included in your Vista. We'll discuss about each and every chapter individually, separately, also in separate modules. So to get all the videos, concerned videos on time, stay connected, subscribe the channel so that the learning becomes more easier for you. And for any query, drop the queries on the comment box. Subscribe the channel, stay connected, take care, God bless you all.